Yo, what is going on, guys? And today I'm going to be showing you how to make thousands of dollars a day just by using your truck, and a few other key factors that basically almost every single person has, at least to my knowledge. Now back here in the abyss is what I started with right here. That lawnmower along with an electric weed eater and blower, all I had in my truck. And now I will throw up a TikTok video that I made a while back that got a little bit of attention to what I have now. And if this video is not proof to how much money you can make, then I don't know what it is. And I might throw up like a few videos of me flexing a little bit of cash from. One of them was like a 2-hour job and one of them was like a 4-hour job. So if those are up there right now, well, hopefully you're enjoying that and that motivates you to do what I'm about to tell you. Now, a lot of people's first question, to me, it always seems like, where do I start? So where do you start? This is how I started. Like I showed y'all, I had a mower, an electric blower, and an electric weed eater. Now, the thing that everyone says is go to your next door neighbor. In my case, I never actually did that. Matter of fact, well, now I kind of do almost every single neighbor on the block, whether that be mowing or trimming bushes or something like that. But at first, that was not the case. Now, right now in Texas, it's cold and pretty much everywhere else in the world. So business is super slow right now. Like, I actually haven't done any work in probably about a month. That's how slow it is. But for these times, that's why we have things like YouTube and DoorDash. If you want to see a video on DoorDash and how to get money on that, drop a comment down below. And also, I know this video is completely different on the videos I usually make. So if you like this kind of video, drop a comment down below, hit the like button. You don't understand how much it actually helps and shows me that you want to see more of this. So now, story time, going back about 2 or 3 years ago. I started off, I think I was like sophomore year of high school. That summer is kind of when I actually started it. That year, or that summer, I guess I could say, I made, I'm not gonna tell you how much, but I made a decent amount of money to make me realize, wow, that's a lot of money. I need to actually do something about this. So therefore, I capitalized on an opportunity, and now I have enough money to pay for this stupid thing and, you know, kind of just anything I want, I guess. Not anything, but you get the idea. Now, the first and biggest tip I have for you, and a question a lot of you probably have, like I said, is how do I get started? Well, this is how you get started. Step 1, get a Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account, that is your road to success. Now, a lot of people don't actually share this information with y'all, but I'm gonna be sharing it because I want to see y'all succeed and get the money. Make a Facebook account. Now, like me, I live in like a smaller town away from the bigger city around me, so I have job opportunities everywhere, as you can tell. I mean, this is the whole subdivision. Now, that brings me to my next point. Whatever subdivision you live in, on Facebook, in the groups tab, search your neighborhood. If your neighborhood is in there, join the group. If you know of neighborhoods around you, join the group. Join the group, join the group, join the group. I have tons of groups that I'm in, from neighborhoods just in my town and towns that are nearby as well, and that is the key to success. That's literally almost like, other than word of mouth from doing people's yards and stuff like that from Facebook, that's where all my clientele comes from, is Facebook. And I can almost guarantee you that probably within a week, say you posted in 20 different groups, right? And what you kind of want to post about is, hi, my name is whatever. Just be formal about it in a way and sound smart and educated when you do it. Now, that's broad, but you can fill in the lines from there. Now, me personally, I actually love doing this kind of stuff. I've been doing it ever since I was little. Like, it's kind of just in my brain. It's just embedded in me to do that kind of stuff. So some of you may be watching this and thinking, I don't have the skill or knowledge to do landscaping. I guarantee you do. It's not that hard. Start at your house. Start in your garden in front of your house. Easy. It's easy work, guys, but it's also hard work, but it's doable and you get a lot of money from it because a lot of people don't want to do it, and that's why I'm doing it. And I am still young. I'm 18 years old, turning 19 in a little under 30 days. Next month, I turn 19 on Valentine's Day, actually. Another very big tip I have for y'all is do not give up. It can get stressful. It can feel like you have 500,000 people talking to you at once over text, but in reality, it's only 2 people. Trust me, trust the process, keep going, and kind of get like a rhythm. Like, kind of start texting all your clients almost the same exact thing. You know, what exactly are you needing done, ma'am/sir, but don't guess too quick. Sometimes it's really awkward. You call them ma'am, sir, don't go there. What do you need? Where do you live? Can you give me an idea on what you want? And maybe send me a picture. Very simple, straightforward, to the point. And then maybe you could give them a rough estimate over the phone, or maybe you want to drive to their house and do it, depending on how far away they are. If they like the price, do it that day, then and there, come with the equipment. If they don't want it done that day, that probably means, honestly, either one, they don't have the money, or two, they thought the price was too high, which is fine. That leads me to another point. If they don't want to pay your price, don't do it, period. If the next man behind you wants to do it for a cheaper price, let them do it. If you don't think it's worth it, it's not worth your time, don't do it. In my brain, when I'm telling people their price, I charge a minimum of $25 per hour just for me. Now, I usually have people working with me as well, and I try to make sure everyone gets that $25 per hour minimum for each person. Now, that's another point that I have to come after. Usually, you don't have full days of work. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you go weeks without work. Like, for example, me right now, I haven't done work in a while, but keep grinding, keep posting on Facebook, keep posting on apps that are for neighborhoods. They actually have apps that are for neighborhoods. Literally drive past a school or something that's nearby you, and sometimes it shows join this neighborhood app to catch up with your local news or something. So make sure you do that. Make sure you're looking for ways to advertise. Advertising is where a lot of people actually mess up and never really get to do it to the full extent that it needs to be done at. So make sure you are advertising your services. Sometimes the days you work for an hour, you're gonna get more than the days you work for 4 or 5 hours or 8 hours. That's just how it is. And I like working the 1 hour days that with an outcome of about $1,000. I mean, hey, I'm all in on that one. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I didn't want to make it too long just because it's the first one I'm making, and I wanted to see if you guys are actually interested in this kind of stuff and how to make money on the side and maybe for a job, because this right here, landscaping, is pretty much a job for me, but now I'm having to find more stuff to do during the winter months just because of how slow it actually is. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Hopefully you got some really valuable information that maybe you haven't heard before, or maybe you have. Either way, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you are new. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I want to introduce y'all to my new brand, Stay Lifted. Now, this brand basically consists of lifted trucks, and for now what we have is the OBS genre of trucks. As you can see, there's a bunch of different stuff we have on the site. As we talk, there's also more being made. Eventually we will have more trucks, a whole bunch of different trucks, anywhere from Ford to Chevy to Dodge. We'll have all of them in the cartoon versions. And Stay Lifted basically means stay lifted, like keep your truck lifted, because why not? Now, I'm not begging you to buy the merch. If you want to buy it, you'll buy it. There's a bunch of different stuff on there. Like I said, just go to the website. I'll leave the link down below in the description. It'll be in the description of every single video. There's shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs, stickers, I mean, you name it, and it's probably on there. And if you want your truck to be featured on one of these shirts, send me a message on Facebook at Chase Tyson. You should be able to look up my name and you'll definitely see me pop up. Like I said, nobody's forcing you to buy it. If you want to buy it, by all means, go ahead and buy it. You support me along with the channel and allow us to do bigger and better things. Thank you guys so much for the support recently. Hopefully you guys like the stuff. Even if you don't want to buy anything, just go click the link in the description, look through the stuff, and just tell me how you like it. Depending on how much y'all guys like the stuff, there will probably be new clothing dropping on the site like every week. But like I said, thank you guys so much for the support. And as always, stay lifted, people. I'm out.